Question number 1. Which constitution amendment inserted Article 21A in the Constitution of India? A. 83rd Amendment, B. 84th Amendment, C. 85th Amendment, D. 86th Amendment. Answer D. 86th Amendment. Question 2. Which article in the Constitution of India provides free and compulsory education to all children in the age group of 6 to 14 years as a fundamental right? A. Article 21A, B. Article 45, C. Article 30, D. Article 51A. Answer A. Article 21A. Question number 3. In the Constitution of India, education belongs to the A. Union list, B. State list, C. Concurrent list, D. Residuary subjects. Answer C. Concurrent list. Question 4. What constitutional provision enables the central government to provide reservation in jobs and educational institutions for the weaker sections of the society? A. Article 14, B. Article 16, C. Article 19, D. Article 46. Answer B. Article 16. Question 5. Which amendment to the Constitution shifted education to the concurrent list? A. Amendment 42, B. Amendment 39, C. Amendment 43, D. Amendment 48. Answer A. Amendment 42. Question number 6. Which article in the Constitution of India provides promotion of education and economic interests of SC, ST and other weaker sections? A. Article 39A, B. Article 46, C. Article 43A, D. Article 48A. Answer B. Article 46. Question number 7. An article in the Constitution of India forbids discrimination on grounds only of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. Name the article. A. Article 15, B. Article 29, C. Article 337, D. Article 16. Answer A. Article 15. Question 8. Which article in the Constitution of India mention the provision for early childhood care and education to children below the age of 6 years? A. Article 47, B. Article 66, C. Article 45, D. Article 71. Answer C. Article 45. Question number 9. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides the right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions? A. Article 30, B. Article 25, C. Article 28, D. Article 29. Answer A. Article 30. Question number 10. Mention the article in the Constitution of India empower the state to make any special provision for women that include their education also. A. Article 18, B. Article 15.2a, C. Article 15.3, D. Article 15.2b. Answer C. Article 15.3. Question 11. Article dash says every state and of every local authority within the state provide adequate facilities for instruction in the mother tongue at the primary stage of education. A. 350, B. 350A, C. 337, D. 338. Answer B. 350A. Question 12. Which article in our Constitution is directive for development of the Hindi language and decided it as the official language of the Union? A. Article 352, B. Article 360, C. Article 355, D. Article 351. Answer D. Article 351. Question 13. Which article directed who is a parent or guardian provides opportunities for education to his child or as the case may be, watch between the age of 6 and 14 years. A. Article 51A G. B. Article 51A K. C. Article 51A H. D. Article 51A J. Answer B. Article 51A K. Question 14. Mention the article in the Constitution of India provides the protection of interests of minorities. A. Article 28. B. Article 27. C. Article 26. D. Article 29. Answer D. Article 29. Question 15. Right to Education Act (RTE) is an act of the Parliament of India enacted on 4th August 2009 and came into force on 1st April 2010. The act is also known as A. The Right of Children to Free or Compulsory Education Act. B. The Right for Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act. C. The Right for Children to Free or Compulsory Education Act. D. The Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act. Answer D. The Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act. Question 16. Dash Act defines inclusive education as a system of education wherein students with and without disabilities learn together. A. The Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016. B. The Rights of Persons with Disability Act 2016. C. The Rights of Persons Have Disabilities Act 2016. D. The Rights of Persons for Disabilities Act 2016. Answer A. The Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016. Question 17. No religious instruction shall be provided in any educational institution if only maintained out of state funds. Point out the article. A. Article 25(1). B. Article 28(1). C. Article 28(2). D. Article 28(3). Answer B. Article 28(1). Question 18. Which article states no citizen shall be denied admission into any educational institution maintained by the state or receiving aid out of state funds or grounds only of religion, race, caste, language, or any of them? A. Article 28. B. Article 29(2). C. Article 31A. D. Article 31B. Answer B. Article 29(2). Question 19. Which article empowers the country to make reservations with regard to admissions into educational institutions both privately run and those that are aided or not aided by the government? A. Article 15(5). B. Article 15(1). C. Article 15(2). D. Article 15(3). Answer A. Article 15(5). Question 20. Special provision with respect to educational grants for the benefit of Anglo-Indian community. Mention the article of the Constitution of India. A. Article 338. B. Article 350B. C. Article 239. D. Article 337. Answer D. Article 337.